Alright, so what I'm going to do now is take my 10,000 saw, right, and just put my score lines in it so I can have a spot to start my files in. I just want to put a nice cut line in it, like that. And cutting towards the back. Now my pencil marks aren't that straight, but my saw blade's straight, so I don't have to worry about that. As long as I'm on that front pencil mark, I'm cool. And this is a pull saw, so I gotta be very careful when I push it and don't slip. Now these last two strings, I don't have to do much to them at all, just a couple of cuts on there. Okay, so there we are, we start. Next spot is to go in and get the files out, the files open. Okay, well, we still have some measurements to take and some maybe possible changes to be made on this Michael Kelly. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to adjust these pickups. See what I got. I got this way too high. This is about right back here. This is way too high. And this is a little bit, this is just perfect back here. The back one's perfect where it is, but the front one's way too high and he's killing his notes. Okay? And by that, he's not letting the strings vibrate as much as they should. I get this thing to adjust. Wow, these threads are just stripped on this thing. Damn it. Now I'll turn it. There we go. Okay, so here we go. And what I'm trying to do is get this down lower so this thing has a chance to pick up the entire note. There we go. That's it, guys. You can see this or not. You'll see when I put this feeler gauge under here, the string does not move up, but it's just touching it. Okie dokie. And this needs to come up a little bit more. I'm taking it down too low. Alright, so I'll raise it up just a little bit, measure it again. Just want to touch it. There we go, that's it. Alright, now the pickup's correct. This pickup's correct. And I'm going to adjust this down a little bit, the height of the saddles. But you can see, I got those nice into a radius shape, like the neck follows, follow the custom nut that I put onto it. But I think I'm just a little bit high on the action. I need to get the action to 464, so I think I'm at 6. So lower those saddles down just a bit, not much, to adjust this. So it don't take a lot to adjust it. All right. So down you come. 1, 2 turns. And we want these even on both sides. 1, 2 turns. Now they're not even. So I gotta go back here and even these up because they're uneven. Alright. Now I'd say that's even right there. And this is not even, so I adjust that one too. Let's check the action on this. Sorry guys, I gotta pick it up and hold it. I don't have to check action. And we're right at 4/64. No fret buzz. That's where we want to be, guys. 4/64. The action's low, fast, and furious. Okay. Now I just gotta adjust this one. Now just put these strings on here. Right. That's 1, 2. 1, 2, that's even. This one's a little bit cockeyed high, so I gotta lower it. Put it back where it belongs. Go back and check the action again. Now when you're lowering the saddles, there's no no problem with the strings being at tune. All right, now it's even. Okay, so we still have that nice shape to it. And what we'll do, we'll string it up. Sorry, we'll tune it up and verify that we don't have any fret buzz. These will go out and in because they're brand new. And you tell if they're not tuned, they're going to buzz a bit because this nut is as low as it goes, guys. Okay, let's check it out. See what we got here. Check the action. Sorry guys, got to pick it up. So we're right at 4, 4, 4, 3, 3, 3. That's exactly where this guitar needs to be. No fret buzz. So this thing is absolutely perfect now. Perfectly set up. Got a perfect bone nut on it. It's playing like butter. You can't ask for more than this, guys. This is what a bone nut will do. Now the thing is, next time you hear it, you hear the guitar owner playing it and hear the tone of this guitar, which is pretty nice, especially when you add a bone nut to it. It changes a lot of that tone. Okay, so hang in there, guys. Okay, guys, we just finished working on this Michael Kelly. It's a beautiful guitar, like I was showing you. We put a brand new bone nut on it, set it up, and systemized it for him, customized it. What do you think?
I think it's great. It's going to take some getting used to having it set right like it's supposed to be.
For a change, yeah. Okay, let's hear what it sounds like, dude.
All right. New strings. It's way smoother.
Good. Look up. Don't.
Okay.
Yeah, there you go.
It's a lot smoother than it used to be. That's for sure.
Cool.
Easier to slide.
Yeah.
Reach those notes or whatever.
Oh,
a lot
man.
smoother for that.
It sounds like butter. You know.
Sounds good.
Cool. All right, let's try this. Let's try something crazy now. Sound you go crazy. All right, we're on Full Metal Jacket. Go ahead.
Good.
Cool. All right, guys. Any questions? Give me a holler. David, Texas. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.